If you use Zoho Books to manage your business finances, choosing the right currency is essential for clean, accurate accounting. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to change the currency on Zoho Books in the simplest, foolproof way. Perfect. Whether you've expanded your business internationally or just need to update your primary currency, this quick guide will help you get it done effortlessly. Let's dive in. First, open your browser and head over to the Zoho Books website. Once the homepage loads, look at the top right corner and click on Sign In. This will take you straight to the login page where you can access your account. Now, log in using your email and password. If you've previously connected Google to your Zoho account, you can speed things up by choosing Sign In with Google. It's secure, fast, and avoids the hassle of typing your credentials every time. After logging in, you'll land on your Zoho Books dashboard. This is your central hub where you can monitor invoices, expenses, cash flow, and overall financial health. From here, we'll head straight to the settings area to make our currency adjustment. Look toward the navigation menu and click Settings. Then select Profile. This is where all your personal and account-related configurations are stored. Everything from contact information to business preferences lives right here. Once you're inside the Profile section, scroll until you find the Currencies option. This is the area where you can manage your default transaction currency. Click Edit to open up the selection. A list of available currencies will appear now. Choose the one that aligns with your business location or the currency you want all your financial transactions to be recorded in. Make sure it reflects your current operations, especially if you deal with international clients or have recently shifted markets. After selecting your preferred currency, simply hit Save. Zoho Books will instantly apply the new setting across your account, ensuring that all your upcoming financial records stay accurate and consistent. And that's it. Changing your currency in Zoho Books is quick, simple, and takes less than a minute once you know where to click. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and drop a comment if you want a guide on any other Zoho Books features. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.